Controller General of the Indian Bureau of Mines Upankach Kulsheshtha hakasngi sajan uloong baka jingti ya ki marpohkhyndew da ka jingkitkhlieh bat da ka ba pendon kam di ki bor ka juk menta kanom kata satiai ka mariang henrei kala penban ban penne pensa khambha shishu ya ka ya kene Controller General ka IBM uloong habakren kumukongsan hakajingyelang penhap perda ya ka Mines Environment and Mineral Conservation Week ka balalong hashilong hakane ka jingyelang kabalawan ban shimbenta dagi company ti marpohkhyndew ba pher ukongsan ula ongru ka jingti marpohkhyndew da ka jingkitkhlieh ba da ka juk start kanum ta satia ya kamariang shushu uong ba uyo i bun ki jingya pher hakipar marpohkhyndew lada dujor haswa benti bat hadin baladepti katkum ka jingong jungu don kijaka ba haswa benti kejaka kadei ka basenlan berterkong henrei habati da ka rukom ka badei kejaka ka kaladur penban but don lilei kejaka ki batap biang da ka jingjir ngam ni ki klau hakani ke jingyalang layo ru ya ka jingkren na usembut kongsan u Dr. Pukrach Nenival Controller of Mines Zone IBM Kolkata nangta u George Chakko bat kumjuru na u Ibrahim Sharif bat kiwe Shwaban sedang ya kene ke program kabala penlong da kejingya trelang ke Indian Bureau of Mines Guwahati Region bat Lafraj Mining Private Limited layo shwa ya kejing penher ya kalama bat kejing jurip ya ki kamera peninam ba pher bagi company ti marpohkhyndew ki jubu ban peninam ya ki tiar jongki hakani kesngi ukongsan rengkat ki sembut kongsan ki la penlaj pajba ya ki souvenir bat ki kalender kejing pen i ya ke culture na ka than baru kejing sam ya ki khusnam shagi company ki ba job hakaru kom trekam ka ba khambha khamtam habaya dei bat kejing shingan jong ki nong tre lapen kot ya kene ke program da kejing IT pat ya kalama ka ban shimti ban penlong pat ya kene kejing kenduk lang hakasin kenduk ka ban wan.
That is one of the oldest profession in the world. बहुत पहले से करीबन 5000 BC पहले से सभ्यता के we may find out the science of the mining in the different parts of the world. In the even our country, if you visited the Khetri area, there is the science of copper mining in that area. That is around 5000 BC. So we can say the mining is one of the oldest profession in the world. पिछले काफ़ी सालों से देश के आज़ादी के बाद से माइनिंग को एक सिस्टमेटिक रूप देना चालू किया गया था. माइनिंग उससे पहले भी हो रही थी, उसके बाद भी हो रही है और आज भी हो रही है. बट देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. जब देश आज़ाद हुआ, माइनिंग को एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटी के रूप में समझा गया. MMDR एक्ट की नींव पड़ी, भारतीय खान ब्यूरो की नींव पड़ी मार्च 48 में. एंड सिस्टमेटिक माइनिंग की दिशा में शायद ये पहला प्रयास था. As we all know, mining generally tend to be understand कि it distracts the environment and the ecology of the area. लेकिन शायद ये उतना ही आधा सच है कि अगर माइनिंग को रेस्पॉन्सिबल वे में किया जाए, माइनिंग को सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से किया जाए, तो शायद वो इकोलॉजी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करती, इकोलॉजी को सपोर्ट करती है. आई हैव सीन नंबर ऑफ माइंस before and after the mine start and the present situations. We found that area which looks like a desert before the mining start in that area now looks like a forest. So you cannot say always the mining destroy the forest. Sometimes mining build up the forest. But then that is the same other way. But we are talking about the mining. Indian mining sector is a very peculiar one and a very unique one. And generally in other parts of the world we find out the mines are the biggest mines. They have a huge capacity mines. But in our country, if we characterize these mines, most of the mines, around 70 to 80% mines are of area less than 50 hectares. That is the basic problem in the area. Once if you have a very limited area, you cannot develop mine in a scientific and a systematic manner. So you have to work hard to develop a mining with the limited resources in a limited area. Second thing, whatever the mining areas we have given or granted or allocated in the past, there are a lot of issues related to all these areas, particularly northeast regions there, which it comes in some of the states comes under Schedule 6. There are certain restrictions as far as the mining is concerned. But despite of all these facts, one thing is sure, nothing is possible without mining, and we have to have a mining in our country. Government recognize this potential, government recognize this thing and take measures in the last 10 years to promote the mining, to facilitate the mining, and to ease of business in the mining sector. As my understanding, presently we have a lot of scope in the area of exploration of different minerals across the country.